So here we are in Moab, 2018 for Jeep Safari. This is the Jeep that we built with Rebuilding Generations. Rebuilding Generations is a youth ministry started by a friend of mine, Kevin Keith. And he came up with the idea in this industry. You know, when I grew up, I had a wrench in my hand and I was always working on stuff and tearing stuff apart. The kids these days are more involved in their phones and computers and games and things like that. They're not getting outdoors. They're not getting their hands dirty.
It's about getting the old and the young working together. We always have the conversation is how do we get that next generation involved in this industry? There's a wealth of knowledge in this older generation that, let's be real, it's not going to be around in 20, 25 years. These older guys, they want to pour that knowledge and information into this younger generation.
With ARIES' help, we were able to outfit this Jeep, and these kids actually bolted this stuff on. They were able to assemble this Jeep in a week and get it to Moab and use it. And the look on their faces, you know, when we're going up those steep things, and they couldn't believe that it could do what it could do, you know, and it was just awesome.
Yeah. Well, basically Kevin brought it in and asked if we could help strip it, and from there we just started adding stuff. Yeah, it's pretty fun.
How much pizza did you guys eat making that thing?
Quite a bit. A lot of hot dogs. My dad's been coming here for this is his 21st year here, so it's really cool to come out here with him and experience what he's been talking about.
You know, ARIES, BDS, Falcon Tire, Gear Alloy, Up Down Air, Warren. It's because of these guys is why we are able to do what we're doing with these kids. And you know, so support these guys. These are great companies, and they really are giving back to our youth through Rebuilding Generations. So thanks. We'll see you next time.